Hey there, this is Kip Haynes. I wanted to show you a MIDI controller that I built using a PIC microprocessor controller. And this MIDI controller basically just sends out patch changes to any MIDI controllable device. In this case, I use it to control my timeline digital delay pedal, so that I can have direct access to the various presets. So I'm just going to power it up here so you can see how it works. Little flashy flash. So you can just have direct access to the first 5 MIDI presets. So you can see here, when I press 1, it's going to change over to Bank 0, preset A, which is basically MIDI 0. Here's MIDI 1, you can see it switches to B. Here's MIDI 2, goes to the next bank with patch A. So anyway, and then I made this one to be a tap tempo, but I think if I design it again, I'll make it selectable, so you could either use it as a MIDI preset or tap tempo, depending on how you might want to configure it in the back with a switch. And here's the connections, so you can see here's the tap tempo, this is the polarity switch and the MIDI out, and it just runs on 9 volts. And I used a rather large PIC chip. This is I think it's a PIC 16F 1937, and because I originally was going to make this into a big programmable loop system, and these are the relays for the signal to pass through, and this pretty much works. I just kind of ran out of steam as far as putting it together in a chassis, so I thought I would just utilize the MIDI controller portion of it, and I just used the basic C compiler that they provide online. It's not too difficult to do. I can send you the software if you're interested. You basically just configure one of the output pins or I/O pins to be serial output, and then I read the MIDI spec to sort out how to send out the patch changes. So email me if you have any more questions about this. It's a fun little pedal. I've been using it for probably a year, 2 years now almost, and it's really solid. It works really well. And you could use an Arduino board or something like that, but you can actually save a lot of money if you just design your own power supply and set up the microprocessor yourself. It's really not that hard, and it's significantly cheaper to do so, but you got to be up on your soldering skills to pull that off. Okay, thanks for watching.